Very thankful for the media to be here on the special occasion of the press conference for the launch of zero waste RO purifier in Tamil Nadu. Why 0% water wastage RO purifiers? If you allow me to take 2 minutes of yours, I will make a presentation on the water issues in India. Why do you require an RO water purifier? As you know, there are many types of water purifiers, but RO water purifiers are important. Why they are important, I like to touch upon them. Let's understand water has two types of problems. One is the quantity of water available for drinking. Second is the quality of water. Both things are a serious issue in this nation, and especially in Tamil Nadu, it's even more serious issue of water. And as we are going deeper and deeper, more and more minerals are coming which are not good for drinking. And all the pesticides from the farming are coming into groundwater. Therefore, to get a clean drinking water is essential to purify the water. So water purifier industry is gaining a lot of momentum because of this process. So how do you do point of use purifier? What we want in our point of use purifier is we must remove bacteria and virus from our water. We must remove dissolved impurities. As you said, a lot of minerals are there. Therefore, water purifier is required to remove what is dissolved in water, dissolved impurities. And the purified water must retain essential minerals in water. These are the important requirements of the purifier. It is only because of this that RO purifiers have become very, very prevalent practice of making pure water. Because they remove what is dissolved in water. And they also remove bacteria and virus. However, there is a problem of the RO purifier which is very, very serious. When they remove the dissolved impurities to make it water pure, they also remove essential minerals in water. Now that's a problematic thing. To combat this problem, we came out with a mineral RO water purifier in the year 2005. In this process, we were purifying water through RO, then were making a control system to retain essential minerals in water, and subsequently we were purifying with the UV purifier. So it was a combination of RO, UV, UF and TTS controller which could give minerals in water and give you total protection. So this technology became very popular, and I am pleased to inform you that with a growth of 35%, we have just reached a 450 crore turnover, and we have a 40% market share for our mineral RO water purifiers in the market. However, this technology was having a limitation. The limitation was it is wasting water. As you know, all RO purifiers do not give you 100% water, but they waste a little bit of water in the system. How water is wasted is given in this slide. Down the way. The CAD technology, which already is in use at this moment of time, as I told you in 2005, for 1 liter of water we waste only 2 liters of water. The 2 liters of water is still going as waste. Instead of 40 liters, 20 liters, now we do only 10 liters of reject water. So that process has been done through a computer control system in the machine by cleaning the element. So for 10 liters, we reject 10 liters of water. And that 10 liters of water is also stored in this appliance. It has two tanks, a pure water tank and a reject water tank. So two tanks are there. And this reject water can then be utilized by a customer for cleaning his utensils, for cleaning the floor, for gardening purposes, so that which he is using a good water, he will use from this water. So there is no wastage of water in the end. So it is going to help consumers to get the purest water for which can taste more, simultaneously not able to waste any water. Right? This product is now in the market and would help consumers, especially in Tamil Nadu, facing a serious water problem, to get pure water and also waste no water. That's what I have to say for this. Thank you very much. Any questions from the press? The cost of this product will be 18,000 rupees.
What's your market share on?
Our market share on water purifier, RO water purifier category is 40% on all India basis. Yeah.
Particular for the Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu, I don't have the data for market share, but it should be in the similar zone. It should be around 40%. We are equally distributed in terms of sale on all India basis. Every state has more or less equal contribution to us. So I don't have the exact data, but it should be around that zone. The serviceability is it's a 1-year warranty on any manufacturing defect, on any consumables to a customer.
How many units you plan to sell?
Well, we sell about 40,000 units of RO purifiers every month. Annually is about 4 lakh units. So we expect this volume to go up to at least a 1 lakh unit, about 25% should come to this particular product.
Where is the plant, sir?
Sorry?
Where is the plant?
The plant is Kent, no? And the product name is Kent Supreme.
Where is the plant?
Oh, plant is in Roorkee. Roorkee. This is near Haridwar. You all know Haridwar? It's very near to Haridwar.
Very different variant on this.
Absolutely. This is the first model we have come out. Now there will be another variant which will be coming up now.
What's your unique difference between comparing to other competitors?
Our unit is different in the sense, as I told you, a normal RO purifier removes minerals from water. Our process retains minerals in water, which is good for the human body. And our purifiers are being tested by the world's renowned laboratories like LSF and WQA, which gives a quality seal. If you want to buy something, you want to buy an ISI brand, right? Why? Because you are sure of its quality. Similarly, for the water purifier, there is no ISI mark, but there is a mark in the international market by LSF and WQA. Our purifiers are approved by WQA and LSF. So these two things make Kent a totally different product.
Sir, do you own any particular recognition from the government of India?
Yes, that's what I said. The international certification we own.
What's that?
That's NSF USA and WQA USA.
USA,
NSF in USA. NSF is a company name. It's a very big laboratory, and this is located in USA, as well as WQA, Water Quality Association. Yes, it is available in multi-brand outlets, big bazaars. It is available in Chroma. It is available in Reliance. It's available in Viveks. It is available in Vasants. It's available in Griyas. So all the multi-brand outlets is available in Tamil Nadu.
Any plans of exclusive outlet?
Sorry?
Any plans of exclusive outlet?
Exclusive outlet, yes, we have a concept of called Kent Shoppe. And do we have any Kent Shoppe here? We are planning, no? We are planning Kent Shoppes which will exclusively market Kent products. Yes. It will happen slowly. Yeah?
Service.
We have number of service franchises in Tamil Nadu. We are about 40 numbers. They cater to different districts of Tamil Nadu, and they are able to service the client on priority.